What is up, everybody? It's your boy Lamboguy633, host of YouTube's premier moving talk show, Conversation Cruiser, and you are watching Highway.
Welcome everybody back to iWay. Today we're going to be interviewing Lamboguy633. So I asked him 5 questions. Here they are. Let's get started. How did you discover YouTube?
Glad you asked about my YouTube history, because it's been pretty diverse since the mid-2010s when I had all those YouTube channels. When I first started out, I got inspiration from channels like Thunderbirds 101 and GWizard777 to start making Microsoft Sam videos. So the flagship series that used to be on my channel was Microsoft Sam Reads Laugh Out Loud Signs. That kind of died off in 2020, like when the pandemic started. And then also I had Microsoft Sam Reads Dank Memes as a additional series to run alongside that, which also kind of died off after the pandemic started taking effect.
Question 2. What kinds of videos do you make?
So the flagship series that I have on my channel today is Conversation Cruiser, as you guys heard in the intro. And the backstory into that is actually pretty interesting, because one day we just decided, hey, you know what? Why don't we all get together and get in the car, start filming and driving around, and just talk about whatever comes to mind. And, sure enough, after that, it kind of started gaining a little bit of traction, and we thought, you know what? We could actually turn this into a regular series. So now, we're 3 seasons in, we've got a couple of specials. We did the Halloween specials, 9/11 Memorial. We did a couple for my birthday, and it's a really good series. And
Question 4. How do you stay happy?
Things that make me happy. I've got all sorts of dogs that make me happy. My dad, he's got 4 dachshunds. They're the joys of my life. My mom's got a dog. He's a good boy. My friends, they make me happy. We all get to hang out with each other, do Conversation Cruiser every now and then. We talk about all sorts of good stuff. One of the main things that really makes me happy, obviously, is my car. Because I've had all sorts of good memories in this car. I bought it back in 2020, like in the summer. This car has seen me through 4 jobs, 3 road trips, and 2 accidents, believe it or not. I had a really bad one back in April. But, damn, this car is still going, and I gotta feel happy about that. Because this car is just incredibly reliable.
Finally, question 5. Why should people watch your YouTube channel?
So this question is actually kind of weird. Why would somebody want to watch a YouTube channel? I don't know if I could really answer that, but if you meant why should people watch your YouTube channel? I would totally say, because we're putting out quality content. We talk about all sorts of important things that are going on in the world, and also, I try to do little, skit videos every now and then, put some out, make people laugh, brighten up people's days pretty much. I just like, I like addressing problems in the world. And I think I'm revolutionizing the genre of moving, like, talk show, video podcasts, I guess you could say. I'm not sure what to call it exactly, but yeah, definitely.
All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching this episode of iWay. Feel free to check out Lamboguy633 in the description below. Also, there's going to be an annotation where you can subscribe to him at the end. Subscribe to him, add him as a friend. Tell him D22 sent you. Man, I haven't said that in a long time. Tell him Domingo sent you. Give him some iWay cookies for me. If you missed this video, click down below to subscribe so that you can see more content as you go along. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time for another video. Bye-bye.